Hello everyone, welcome back to Fantabulous Spa channel, and today on my channel I'm going to do a comparison between two face washes. One is Lotus Herbals White Glow and the other one is from Biotic Honey Gel, Bio Honey Gel. So if you're watching this video for the first time, please hit the subscribe button down below and do on the notification bell as well. And yeah, if you like this video, please give it a big fat thumbs up. So yeah, let's get started with the video. Point we will discuss about the price of both the face washes. So the first thing, White Glow, Lotus White Glow 3-in-1 deep cleansing skin whitening face wash comes for around 120 grams 100 grams sorry, and rupees 195, so quite costly I would say. And the second one, comparison with Biotic Bio Honey Gel refreshing foaming face cleanser for all skin types. Both are for all skin types. This comes for around 120 ml and it comes for only 150 rupees. So if price wise, if I compare these two products, this is the costlier one. 195 rupees only you pay for 100 grams. So we go for the second one. The second thing I will say about the ingredients. Now let's go for the ingredients. Now the White Glow of Lotus comes for the ingredients. Active ingredients are milk enzymes and aloe vera gel, which you can see over here. So the milk enzymes and the aloe vera gel is the main active ingredients. Other ingredients are also given. What I wanted to tell you is this contains parabens. So it is a chemical one, less of chemicals I would say, but it contains parabens. It has written over here that it has propyl paraben, it has methyl paraben, it has phenol, phenoxyethanol, and all the ingredients, if you read, they are all chemicals. Okay, so tocopherol acetate and alpha arbutin and fragrance. So the ingredients are with chemicals in this, and you pay higher for the chemicals. 195 for 100 grams I told you as prior. And if you see the ingredients of this, Biotic comes for 100% natural botanical extract. I just completely love this company. This fresh foaming face wash contains 100% soap-free gel, which dissolves your makeup and impurities. It softens your skin and helps lighten the organically pure, and it's preservative-free. It is dermatologist tested for safety, and it has no animal testing. And ingredients I will tell you, it's also for all skin types. This is also for all skin types, as I told you earlier. And the active ingredients are honey, and I will just tell you the contents of this. If you read, Banhaldi rhizome, Arjun bark, neem bark, Retha fruit pulp, ananas fruit, madhu, and purified water. So you get honey, purified honey, you get ananas fruit, that is pomegranate fruit pulp, and other ingredients which I told you, completely without chemicals and without parabens. So that is about the ingredients which I told you. So again, for the ingredients, this is a winner, clear winner. Next we go for the packaging of these two products. Now this comes in a tube, kind of a face wash tube kind of a thing, and yeah, it's a travel friendly packaging. It has a flip cap over here like this, and you get the product out. So okay, the packaging is great like the regular ones, and it's very handy and very nice. Whereas the packaging of this it also comes in a tube kind of a packaging like the Lotus one, but I have taken the bottle one, which is very comfortable. You can just open the cap and the nozzle is like very handy. When I pour this, the amount which I want to pour, I just take a drop, or if I want 2 drops, I can easily do it with this. So packaging, I will say, for Biotic is a winner over here. And again, the same thing, you cannot see the amount which is given or packed into the tube. Saying that the packaging, we cannot see how much content is left, or we need to buy another tube or something like that. We just have to see it by the way that it is getting over or not. But with Biotic, you can completely know how much solution you have finished, and like it is a very great transparent bottle which you can see your liquid into it, and you can, so it is a reusable bottle, and whereas this is not reusable one. So packaging, again, I would say Biotic is a clear winner over here. Next point I will say about the product effect on my skin. Like, I have used Lotus for a very long time now. I will tell you I will not say that I'm degrading the Lotus product over here, but clear winner over here is Biotique, because it's amazing. And I was using this from like ages, and like 4-5 years I have been using this. Amazing thing about this product is when you wash your face with it, it gives you complete dry matte look. Your oil, everything goes away. For the dry skin people, it will dry out your skin too much, and you have to moisturize your skin afterwards. But the best part about it is when you clean it with it, you just instantly feel that glowing face, you know. That is the best part about this. I was using it. It's a deep cleansing, whitening, blocks melanin production, which is there written over here on this. I really loved this face wash, but now it was as it is was going to get over. Somebody suggested me to go and convert myself into organic. I don't like to use more of chemicals on my face, so now it's a bye-bye for Lotus, and now it's yes for Biotique. So yeah, so that is what I have been using this for a long time. Nothing happened to my skin. My skin used to feel fresh with it, so I just completely love Lotus. So if I want to rank it below Biotique, I will definitely rank it on 9 on 10. So I'm not degrading it, but when I started using this, like, you know, couple of 1 week prior, amazing fragrance. Like, they have two, which is my favorite one, Bio Morning Nectar face wash and the Bio Honey. Now the best part about this is, like, it will not give you instant glow. Yeah, it does give you an instant glow when you wash it with it, but the best part about it is, like, you know, it gives you a matte look, but it doesn't dry your skin. It gives your skin moisture as well. So when you wash your face, you feel that softness and all that on your face. So this is for honey is like great ingredient for your skin. And the best part about this is it's completely free of chemicals and all, you know. So it's like it's not going to have any drastic effect on your skin. So you can like be free and use it, and without any tension use this Biotique products. So Biotique's like on the higher ranks, I will suggest. And the second thing which I will say that yeah, when I used it, the fragrance is just amazing. Like, the fragrance of Lotus is also amazing. It's not that bad. It's very good. It's aloe vera and milk enzyme fragrance, which is very nice. But when you use this one, the fragrance of the light honey fragrance, which is having ananas fruit juice and pomegranate fragrance mixed with honey, it's just out of the world. It's completely divine. So the fragrance also, the winner is Biotique. The last point which I will say is about the texture. Now let me show you the texture of both the things. And yeah, so the texture of the Lotus is a white gel. It's a white gel, but not a transparent one. It is a creamy format. So this is how the texture, and it is nice. It leathers very nicely, and it's very mild on your face, but yes, it dries the skin. So dry skin people like me have to moisturize their skin, but it completely removes the oil and dirt and grime from your face. And the Biotique one, I'll just show you over here. It is a light pink. I don't know if my camera can capture the pink color, but you can see in the bottle the pink color, but here it will show you as a transparent gel. So you can see the texture of both the face washes. And this one, you have to, like, it will create a nice foam, and they say that Biotique says that it is completely soap free. So whichever you feel good for you, you can use it. So for my recommendation, I will rank Biotique up than the for me in the comparison. Biotique is a winner. So do let me know which one you will prefer. I've given you all the 5 comparisons, like the price, the packaging and everything. I hope you have liked this video and it was helpful in some or the other way to buy which products which you want to buy from this if you are confused. And do let me know which is your favorite in the comment section down below. Hit the like button, and if you haven't subscribed till yet, please hit the subscribe button and support my channel. Till then, see you in my next video as well. Bye. Till then, take care. Love ya. Be beautiful. Be gorgeous.